Hello student. Our next topic is entropy, a property of a system. Entropy is a property of system. With the help of Clausius inequality equation, we can derive as a constituent of second law of thermodynamics a significant property called as entropy. Figure shows entropy as a property. All processes are reversible on PV diagram. Consider a reversible cycle carried out along a path A and B between the state 1 and 2. A reversible cycle along the path A and B between the state 1 and 2 as shown in figure. Applying Clausius inequality equation phi of r d dash q upon t equal to 0 to a reversible cycle 1a to b1 integration 1a to 2a d dash q upon t r plus integration 2b to 1b d dash q upon t r equal to 0. Denote equation number 1. Now consider another reversible cycle 1a to c1 defined between the same end state and applying Clausius inequality equation to this cycle. Applying Clausius inequality equation to the cycle 1a to c1, the equation is integration 1a to 2a d dash q upon t plus integration 2c to 1c d dash q upon t r equal to 0. Denote equation number 2. Subtract equation 2 from 1, we get integration 2b to 1b d dash q upon t r minus integration 2c to 1c d dash q upon t r equal to 0. Now changing the limits of integral 1 integration 1b to 2b d dash q upon t equal to integration 1c to 2c d dash q upon t. Denote equation number 3. Since no restriction were imposed except that the path B and C represent a reversible process, it follows that integration d dash q upon t is a function of end state only and it is independent of path followed. Hence, integration d dash q upon t represent the property of a system and this property is called entropy and it is denoted by S. Therefore, the change in entropy ds equal to d dash q upon t, equation number 4. If the system undergoes a process from initial state 1 to final state 2, the integration 1 to 2 ds equal to integration 1 to 2 d dash q upon t, that is s2 minus s1 solving the integration s2 minus s1 equal to delta s equal to integration 1 to 2 d dash q upon t. From the above equation, it is clear that the definition of entropy is for a change and not for an absolute value. In order to evaluate the absolute value of entropy, the sum datum may be chosen to represent the zero value of entropy and then a numeric value can be assigned to the value entropy at other state. It is the units of entropy is kilojoule per Kelvin. Note that entropy is measure of degree of randomness of molecules comprising the systems. Higher the disorder, greater is the increase of entropy.